Did you know there's an entire TikTok niche blowing up right now, powered entirely by AI and bringing creators hundreds of thousands of followers? It's called the AI fantasy niche, and it's turning simple ideas into visually stunning content that people can't stop watching. From epic samurai battles to mythical creatures in surreal worlds, this niche is grabbing massive views, and it's all thanks to powerful AI tools. In this video, we're diving into exactly how you can start creating this high-impact content, step by step. I'll show you everything you need, from generating eye-catching visuals to using the right tools, and even unique ways to monetize your videos to earn while you grow. Stick around, and by the end, you'll be ready to launch your own viral TikTok fantasy content. The power of AI in TikTok's fantasy niche. With TikTok's audience booming, the platform now sees over 1 billion active users worldwide, and fantasy content is one of the hottest trends within that user base. According to recent TikTok data, fantasy and surreal content has seen a major rise in views, and creators using AI are taking full advantage of this. For instance, accounts like Fantasyverse and Mythic Worlds have shot up to hundreds of thousands of followers each, and their videos are reaching millions. By crafting imaginative worlds filled with mythical creatures, epic battles, and enchanted scenes, they're capturing viewers' attention in ways that traditional content often can't. The secret behind these accounts' rapid growth is AI. Now, with tools like ChatGPT and Leonardo AI, creators can bring complex, visually stunning ideas to life without needing advanced skills or a big budget. Leonardo AI, for instance, allows you to generate high-quality images in minutes, perfect for TikTok's short-form format. Just by typing in detailed prompts, you can create visuals of anything from a fire-breathing dragon to a futuristic samurai battle, designed exactly for vertical video. And here's the best part, these AI tools make it possible for nearly anyone to jump into this niche. In the past, creating such detailed and engaging fantasy content would have required a team of designers and editors. But now, even beginners can generate these visuals with ease. That's what makes the AI fantasy niche so powerful right now. Choosing the right fantasy sub-niche. Now that AI fantasy content is trending, the next step is to pick a sub-niche that will make your videos stand out. TikTok audiences love unique fantasy themes like samurai battles, magical creatures, and futuristic worlds, each of which has its own fan base and aesthetic. Finding a sub-niche that resonates with you will also make content creation more enjoyable. For example, the Mystic Beasts account, focused on magical creatures like dragons, has gained over 250,000 followers, while Cyber Warriors, which features futuristic battle scenes, has also grown quickly by appealing to sci-fi fans. Choosing a specific niche helps establish a brand that followers recognize and enjoy. If you're unsure where to start, try using ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas or look at popular fantasy-related hashtags on TikTok to see what's trending. Focusing on a single theme not only attracts the right viewers, but also increases your visibility as TikTok's algorithm promotes your content to users with similar interests. Leveraging AI tools for content creation. With your niche chosen, let's look at AI tools that platforms like ChatGPT and Leonardo AI allow you to generate high-quality visuals and scripts with minimal effort. Start with ChatGPT for brainstorming scenes and writing scripts. You can prompt it with ideas like a samurai battle in a futuristic city, and it'll produce detailed ideas, scenes, or even dialogue that keeps your viewers engaged. Next, bring your concepts to life with Leonardo AI. This tool creates high-resolution images based on your description, so if your niche is mythical creatures, a prompt like a glowing phoenix flying over a medieval castle at night will generate stunning visuals ready for TikTok. Leonardo's Phoenix preset is ideal for high-quality, TikTok-friendly images, and adjusting the dimensions for TikTok's vertical format ensures your visuals look seamless. What's great is that these tools work well for beginners and pros alike. By combining ChatGPT for scripting and Leonardo AI for visuals, you can quickly produce captivating TikTok videos that resonate with viewers. Step-by-step guide to generating fantasy visuals. Let's walk through creating fantasy visuals on Leonardo AI to bring your ideas to life. Start by opening the image creation section and setting the preset to Phoenix for high-quality TikTok-optimized images. Then adjust the generation quality to the highest level to ensure sharp, detailed visuals. Make sure the image dimensions are set to TikTok's vertical format so your content fits perfectly in the feed. Next, enter your prompts. Using ideas you brainstormed, Leonardo AI will transform your descriptions into beautiful images. Once you have your first image, continue generating visuals for each scene in your video. Aim for around 12 images for a 1-minute TikTok video to keep it engaging. This process makes your fantasy content stand out instantly, creating professional-looking images in minutes and giving your videos a dynamic, captivating edge. Animation and motion techniques. Now that your visuals are ready, let's bring them to life with subtle animations. Using Leonardo AI's image-to-motion feature, you can add smooth motion effects to your images, making them even more captivating on TikTok's fast-paced platform. Start by selecting an image, then choose the case image-to-motion option, and set the strength slider to around 6 for a natural effect. Hit Generate to animate the image, giving it just enough movement to stand out without looking overly artificial. Repeat this process for each visual to ensure a consistent flow across your video. Once all your animations are complete, download them in high-quality format. These animated visuals will create a dynamic experience when combined, adding depth and immersiveness to your content. With this animation technique, your fantasy scenes won't just look impressive, they'll feel alive, keeping viewers engaged from start to finish. Editing tips for a polished final video. Now that you have your animated visuals, let's pull everything together with clean, polished editing to keep viewers engaged from start to finish. First, import your animated images into an editing software like CapCut. Set each image to about 4 seconds to keep the pacing dynamic. Then add a simple transition like black fade between images for a smooth flow, setting the duration to 0.2 seconds for a subtle cinematic touch. Next, then, to enhance the fantasy feel, apply overlays like fog or sparkles, extending them across the timeline for a consistent look. Fine-tune the video by adjusting colors in the Adjustment tab. Slightly increase saturation to make the colors pop, and add a subtle vignette to draw viewers' eyes to the center. Finally, add background music that fits the fantasy vibe, lowering the volume so it complements rather than overpowers the visuals. With these simple editing steps, you'll have a polished, eye-catching video that captures attention on TikTok, keeping viewers hooked to the very end. Advanced posting and monetization tips. Your video is ready. Now let's make sure it reaches the right audience and starts generating revenue. When posting on TikTok, start by selecting the same background music used in your edit for consistency. Set TikTok's added music volume to 1% to keep your original audio dominant and avoid potential muting by the algorithm. Craft a compelling caption to spark curiosity. Then add 5 niche-relevant hashtags like #FantasyWorld and #AIArt to improve discoverability. Once posted, encourage interaction with calls to action, like double tap if you'd visit this world, to increase engagement and visibility. For monetization, consider offering an ebook or digital product teaching followers how to create similar content, using a platform like Beacons or Linktree in your bio for easy purchases. Affiliate marketing is another great option. Partner with relevant brands, such as AI platforms or editing tools, and link affiliate products in your bio. Lastly, consider a Patreon page for followers wanting exclusive content, tutorials, or one-on-one coaching, creating an extra income stream and closer connection with your audience. With these strategies, you'll boost both reach and revenue. Now, post your video and make the most of your content. That's it for today. You now have all the steps to create high-quality AI fantasy content, from choosing the right niche and generating unique visuals to editing, posting, and monetizing. If you're serious about growing on TikTok and want to explore even more ways to boost your reach, if you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm always sharing in-depth tutorials and strategies designed to help you grow faster and reach more viewers. Don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.